Hey, garden lovers! Have you ever dreamed of having a garden full of these stunning hydrangeas? If you're in Zone 8, you're in luck because today I'm sharing my top tips for growing these gorgeous blooms right in your backyard. Stick around because these tips will transform your garden into a hydrangea haven. Hydrangeas are known for their big, beautiful blooms that can add a pop of color to any garden, but growing them can be tricky if you don't know the right steps. Let's dive into the first tip. Tip number 1, choose the right spot. Hydrangeas love the morning sun, but prefer some shade in the afternoon, especially in Zone 8 where the sun can be quite intense. Find a spot that gets a few hours of morning sun but is shaded in the hottest part of the day. This balance will help your hydrangeas thrive. Tip number 2, soil preparation is key. Hydrangeas need well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, mix in some compost or aged manure to give your hydrangeas the nutrients they need. And remember, they prefer slightly acidic soil, so you might need to test your soil and adjust it if necessary. Tip number 3, water wisely. Hydrangeas have shallow roots and need consistent moisture. Water them deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. Make sure the soil stays evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Mulching around the base can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. Tip number 4, feeding your hydrangeas. Use a balanced fertilizer in the spring and again in early summer. If you want to change the color of your hydrangea blooms, you can adjust the soil. For blue blooms, use a fertilizer low in phosphorus and high in potassium. For pink blooms, use lime to raise the Phe level. Tip number 5, pruning for better blooms. Hydrangeas benefit from regular pruning, but it's important to know which type you have. For big leaf and oak leaf hydrangeas, prune after they bloom in the summer. For smooth and panicle hydrangeas, prune in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. This helps promote healthy growth and abundant flowers. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to growing beautiful hydrangeas in Zone 8. Remember, it's all about the right location, proper soil, consistent watering, feeding, and timely pruning. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening!